we show respect to the human.
Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application. Make sure you have logged in with your preferred Gmail account in your YouTube, and then just head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just tap on your Google account. And once you do it, just search for data and privacy. And then go to YouTube history. This might take a while, and then just scroll down and tap on Manage History. Here goes the videos that you have seen, watched, or liked. So you can just go to Interactions, and then go to Video Likes and Dislikes. Once you do it, here you will be able to see the videos that you have liked on YouTube. All you need to do is just to tap the cross on the just beside each and every videos. So once you tap, and then just tap on delete, and then the video will be deleted. And this is how you can just clear all liked videos on YouTube. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.